going to show you how to make no-bake Nutella cookies. The ingredients are 6 cups of oatmeal, 3.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of Nutella, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of butter, 4 teaspoons of vanilla, and 8 tablespoons of cocoa powder. In a pan, melt your butter. Once your butter is melted, add in your sugar. Whoa. And your cocoa powder. And your milk. Make sure to keep constantly stirring. Ingredients are all mixed in. Bring it to a rolling boil for 1 minute. This is a rolling boil. Constantly stir it so it doesn't burn. Once it is done boiling for 1 minute, take it off the heat and add in your vanilla and your Nutella. Then mix it. Now add in your oats. And then stir until it is all combined. Oops, I got caught. Once it is all mixed in, it should look something like this. Mmm, delicious. Now get a spoon or a scoop and scoop the cookie onto parchment paper or wax paper. Now enjoy! But since it's Easter, we added some jelly beans to make it look like eggs in a nest. Did you go? I can't hear it. I'm gonna show you how to bake. No, bake. That's not very. I'm gonna show you how to make. This is a rolling boil. What? Now grab a scoop or a scoop. Now we're done. It's time to enjoy. Sorry, that was terrible.